My name is Jake Mitchell. I am our channel partner manager here at rAVe. We're at InfoComm 2026. We are a business customer management platform that's tailored towards the AV and security industry. And if you look over here, you can take a look at our platform. This is an example of one of the dashboards that we had created for the service desk. So as you can see your SLA performance over here, tickets breaching your SLAs in the next 24 hours, profit by technician, ticket type week over week, and then a year-to-date revenue analysis. And one of the cool things about the platform is you could actually use rAVe, our AI chatbot, to build a dashboard similar to this. So you could put in different prompts for rAVe to build it, tell rAVe what you would like to see, and he'll spit out a dashboard similar to this. rAVe also has the functionality to close tickets, create new customers. There's a lot of functionality that we've built into rAVe to essentially be an extension of your workforce. So no matter where you're at in the platform, rAVe has an idea of where you're at, what module you're in to help tailor his responses. Here you're looking at a customer account. You can get different notifications or different alerts. And then you see the tags up here at the top of the screen, which are a good way to delineate your different customer types. You can run reports based off of them. We have our servicing tab here that has all of your tickets, your assets, projects, contracts, all of that easily viewable in one page. We have all of your billing information here so you can see any of your invoices, any of your unposted transactions. We do have a full payment processor within the platform to process any of those payments. And then we do have a full quote to cash module so you can handle any of your quotes, any of your proposals with e-signature built into the platform. Now, one of the things that is pretty cool is if you were to go into a ticket, let's see if that'll load for me. You can see your SLA timer up here, and then if you didn't want to read through any of the correspondence or any of that, you can use the AI summary at the top that'll summarize this ticket. And there's a couple different functions within here, so if you wanted to look at activity, item service, parts and labor, task, any of that information is going to be summarized with rAVe. And he'll spit out a nice little summary here, so that way you're not having to hunt for information. Moving on, we have our inventory module here, where you can manage any of your inventory across your trucks, your different warehouses, and easily view what's on hand, what's reserved. Moving on to scheduling. We do have our dispatch board here. There is easy drag and drop functionality as well as a map, so that way you can track your different technicians. And then one of the last things we'll show here is our project management functionality. So if I click into a project, you can have different milestones, phases, all the activity associated with the project, and then real-time job costing. So hopefully that gave you a pretty good idea of what we do and what we offer. You can reach us at www.revio.io.